Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's episode, we're going to be talking about sex toys to suit your date. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you need to click that subscribe button. Sex can begin before you even step foot in the bedroom, and it doesn't have to involve your genitals or penetration or anything that a lot of people automatically think of when you hear the word sex. I'm going to be talking about positive anticipation, how to build it, and how to have a well-rounded, happy and healthy sex life. So sex kind of starts in the mind. The brain is arguably the biggest erogenous zone we have, which is why my first product is erotic fiction or romance novels. Now these are a fantastic way to build positive anticipation. They can give you some great ideas for sexual scenarios. They can help you introduce new ideas into your relationship. They can also create a bonding experience if you and your partner read a book like this together. Now the great thing about romance novels and erotic fiction is that there are so many to choose from. Now my recommendation would be to hop online and find a story that speaks to you and that you think you and your partner are going to enjoy the most. Now, the next way you can build positive anticipation is to indulge in some lingerie. Lingerie is a great way to make you feel extra sexy and to show your partner that you're putting in an extra bit of effort. Now, you can get lingerie for people with a penis and people with a vagina, so there's no excuse not to treat your partner to a sexy new look. I am just going to show you one of my favorites, which is from the Lovehoney lingerie collection, and it's called Late Night Liaison, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's in this beautiful midnight blue colour. It's also crotchless, so you can continue to indulge in foreplay and sexual activity without even taking it off. It's also fantastic quality and made from a gorgeous material that will feel so smooth and sensual against your skin. Now, my next product is super simple yet really effective, the Humble Candle. Now, candles are great for any date because they give you a beautiful dimly lit situation to work with. Now, if you turn off the lights and operate via candlelight, you'll find that your pupils dilate and that makes you more attractive to your partner. Now, this is a scented candle. I highly recommend you get a scented candle because not only does it mean you get a beautiful candlelight, you also get a gorgeous scent to smell. Now, this particular candle is amazing because it is infused with pheromones. It's the Mojo pheromone infused original candle. It's made from soy wax, so it's vegan friendly, and it smells incredible. Now, one of the reasons they use soy wax is because it melts at a lower temperature, meaning that this is great for use as a massage candle. So all you need to do is trickle the warm wax onto your partner's skin and then massage it in. So it's several products in one and it will give you a really positive sexual experience. This is really nice. It smells like a sexy man. I think Ryan Reynolds would smell like this. Yeah, Ryan Reynolds definitely smells like this. Now, my penultimate product to suit any date is this. It's Lovehoney's Bliss Arousal Balm. Now, this is infused with menthol, and the idea is that you apply a tiny little bit to your erogenous zone. So that could be the clitoris, the nipples, or any other area that you like to be touched. Now this will give you a nice tingling sensation and it'll encourage blood to the surface of the skin, making you more sensitive to yours or your partner's touch. Essentially, making sex even better. Now the final product I want to show you is one of my favorites. It's Lovehoney's Desire Remote Control Rechargeable Knicker Vibrator. It is a luxury toy, it's high quality, and it really delivers when it comes to orgasms. It comes to you in this gorgeous little case. It has the Lovehoney heart embossed on the front. If I open it up, I can get out everything that's inside. So it comes with instructions. You also get a pair of one size fits all knickers. They have this gorgeous grey satin ribbon for tie sides. You also have the knicker vibrator itself that sits snugly in the gusset of the knickers, and you have the remote control. Now, I love this toy because it is so flexible. You can use it inside or outside of the bedroom. You can keep control for yourself or pass it to your partner. It has many different functions. So this toy is so flexible when it comes to functionality. It's all about experimentation and working out which combination of settings works best for you. It's also great for creative play because it has an 8-meter radius for working. So you can pass this to your partner and they can literally be sat the other side of the table controlling this. And because it's worn inside your underwear, it's really discreet, meaning even if you're out and about, you can still enjoy ultimate pleasure. So when it comes to suiting your date, this is probably one of the most versatile and appropriate toys you could possibly get. So there you have it, my top toys to suit your date. If you have anything you'd like to add, please pop your comments in my box below. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. If you never want to miss another one again, hit the subscribe button for notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait for the next video, then don't worry because there's one coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!